In this video, I will show you how to connect a soundbar just like this one over here to your TCL Smart TV using HDMI. Now over here, I have a TCL Android TV, but whether you have a TCL Google TV or a TCL Roku TV or even a TCL Android TV just like this one over here, this video should help you connect any soundbar to any TCL Smart TV you have. Now first things first, you want to go ahead and turn on your soundbar, so make sure it is actually connected to the power source and turned on. Now once your soundbar is turned on, you want to go ahead and get your HDMI cable just like this one over here and then connect it to the HDMI port on your soundbar. Now in most soundbar, usually the HDMI port is labeled HDMI, so make sure that you actually connect it to the HDMI port on your soundbar that is labeled HDMI or HDMI out. Now next, you want to go over to your TCL Smart TV and then make sure you connect the other end of your HDMI cable to the HDMI and ARC or eARC port on your TCL Smart TV. Most times you're going to get more than one HDMI port on your TCL Smart TV, so make sure you connect it to that particular HDMI port that is labeled HDMI and ARC or HDMI and eARC. Make sure it is connected to that particular port and you're good to go. Now the final step you want to take is to make sure that your TCL Smart TV is set to HDMI or ARC and your soundbar is also set to HDMI and ARC. Now for your TCL Smart TV, you basically want to head over to the settings of the TV. You can go ahead and press on the settings button on your TCL remote control and then just go over to the sound settings over here, come over to audio output, select it, and then make sure that this is actually set to ARC, which is eARC, as you can see over here. Make sure you actually select that option. Then you also want to make sure that your soundbar is also set to HDMI or ARC. So change the sound mode of your soundbar to ARC or HDMI. In my case, you can literally see this is the ARC mode over here. Now once this is done, the sound from your TCL Smart TV will start coming out from your soundbar. That is basically how to connect a soundbar to your TCL Smart TV using HDMI. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.